Hello, hi guys. How you doing, my crypto lovers? Today I just want to talk about a quick one. It's been let me say, a deep week. Yeah, all the markets have been crashing. The market is getting some balance, but I still expect a little dip. Dip will come, yeah, and dip will come. Just say you should buy the dip. Go for your Ethereum, BTC, BNB, your high cap coins. You buy and you take profit. Always take profit. Take profit when needed, because a dip is coming too. All right, today we just want to talk about a quick one. I'm just talk about Solana for a quick one. Solana, yeah, Solana, yeah. If you watch well, you see that Trust Wallet has opened a staking option for your Solana, so you can either buy from Binance, then transfer it to your Trust Wallet to earn crypto, to earn by APR. Some certain amount you can buy from Binance, or you can buy your Solana from Binance and you transfer your Solana right down to your Trust Wallet. With Binance, Trust Wallet is okay. It's a Binance Trust Wallet. It's a wallet for Binance. Okay. All right. Let's go to you can stake your Solana on your Binance one first, and you can stake your Solana on your Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go for Solana. Go your Solana. Okay, let's go for staking. Let's go to staking on your Binance. You can stake your Solana on your Binance. You can trace your SOL, which can give you 13.47 in 90 days and in 30 days available. This is 2022, May precisely. Okay, then let's go to Trust Wallet. That's what I want to show you. Trust Wallet. Take your Solana. Quickly search for your Solana, for your SOL. You click on your SOL. First thing you need to do, you need to upgrade your Trust Wallet. If you are using Android phone, you upgrade it. You upgrade your app. If you are using an Apple, you go to your Apple store and upgrade it. You go to your Solana. You go to Stake Solana. Let me go back. Stake Solana. Yeah, you stake your Solana. You can see you can easily stake APR 6.94%. Ends 1 day 13 hours. Okay, you can go here. Okay, you can say stake. You can choose where you staking it from. Yeah, I just found it now. Choose where you're staking it, and you earn as you hold. Earn as you hold. Earn as you hold. Okay, staking facility. You can choose either one of these providers to stake your Solana and earn your crypto as you hold. You put the maximum of Solana you are having and you continue, which will stake your Solana on your Trust Wallet. I hope you learn a lot. Subscribe for more of the videos. Subscribe for current news on crypto, and subscribe to get more insights. You click any amount of Solana, you can stake it. Wow.